Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Sachi Bhasin Daga and this is my little home here on YouTube. So for today's video, we're doing something really exciting. Every month I have maybe around 9 to 10 products that are my all-time favorites for the month, and I wanted to start these series with you guys. So every month we're going to be doing my top 10 favorite products of the month. And this time we have some makeup, we have some skincare, we have some accessories, something of every genre basically, if I could say. And we're starting off with makeup since that's my favorite department, as you guys know. The number one thing that I'm using almost every day is the Colourpop x Zoella collaboration. This palette is so stunning. It's got your everyday neutral colors, and it's got some shimmers, some mattes, and you've got the standout blue color which is trending to another level. If I swatch a couple of colors for you guys, you all will understand how beautiful and pigmented it is. That's literally just one swipe. So the reason why I really like this palette is apparently it's not doing that well, but it's got the neutrals for every day, and that's what you really like. If you have something similar to this, you may not need it, but personally I'm loving it. Every color blends like a dream. They complement each other beautifully, and I love a good shimmer shadow on my lid for an everyday wear. So definitely this is my favorite product of the month. Now coming to my favorite lip products, I have two, and I realized like I picked them out separately, but I'm now comparing them towards each other and they're literally the same color, I think. Let's swatch and find out. Number one, this is the Fenty Beauty Stunner Lip Paint, and this is in Uncuffed. This is something that I've been wearing on almost all my stories, and every time I wear this, y'all are like, which product is that? What is on your lips? What is happening? I've never seen that color before. So this is definitely a stunning lip paint. I can't wait to swatch. That is a stunning deep mauve shade, and this packaging, guys, like, it's absolutely insane. So this shade, it dries down to a matte. It's a very pretty formula. This will go with literally every skin tone. Deep, fair, tan. It's a very universally flattering shade. That's what I love about this. And the other product is again a Flower Beauty product. This is the Miracle Matte Liquid Lip, and this is in Soft Berry. So it's in the same family, but it's a little lighter and it's a little pinky nude. It may not go with every skin tone, but it's still very, very flattering. It's a beautiful pinky nude, and this is such a lightweight formula. It's crazy, guys. Like, I have it on right now on my lips, and I keep forgetting that I have lipstick on. It's that comfortable. So these two are my favorite lip products of the month. I think slowly through these videos you all will understand that I stick to the same color family and there's no growth. So I'm going to try and come out of that. But yeah, favorite lip products. Next up we have a highlighter. I'm actually crazy over highlighters at the moment, and this is by Anastasia Beverly Hills. This is their Amazing highlight. This has been like one of their most best-selling products, and I never had a chance to try it out until a friend of mine went abroad and she bought it for me, and I'm literally obsessed. It's got this stunning like wave effect, and it looks very luxe and like royal, and I just want to like feel it all the time. I just did. Okay, and we're gonna go and swipe that. It's got a very beautiful like sheeny champagne gold situation happening, and it's really natural. It's not like the Flower Beauty product that I tried in my previous video, which was like just in your face, kind of like, hey, I'm here, see me. So this is like a really natural one. See, if I blend it out like that, it just mixes with my skin and it gives a beautiful glow. So you can even mix this with your foundation and apply it, and you're like, goddess, here I am. So this is definitely my favorite highlighter of the month, along with, I have to mention my Flower Beauty product again. I think all of y'all are going to start purchasing this because I'm obsessed with this. This is my go-to at the moment. Again, blinding highlights, 3 of them. This is the Shimmer and Strobe highlighting palette. Ooh, do I have to say anything? Do I have to say anything for this? I just if I blend, oh my god. Next up, I have two blushes. One is of course the Flower Beauty Flower Pots Powder Blush. I got it right this time. This is in Sweet Pea. This is again a beautiful, stunning, cool tone palette. Yeah, and it's really pretty. Look at the flower on that, guys. Flower Beauty flower. Okay. And I'm just going to show you all. Actually, it's a tinted formula, so you won't really be able to see much, but it's really pretty. I think it'll go with any skin tone altogether. If you're deeper skin tone, little tan, this is still really pretty. Another cheek product is the Cha Cha Tint by Benefit. This is, I think, in their mango. I think this is a mango color. Actually, I have no idea what shade this is. Let me just swatch it for you guys. Maybe you all will know better. This is the color actually. It's very like, what are you putting on your face? But check this out. I'm going to blend it. And it's just so pretty. It's like it vanishes and gives a very beautiful coral shade. And as you guys know, coral is the color of the year. So nothing like a beautiful coral blush. So this is again my favorite blushes. So now we're coming to a skincare product. This is the Flower Beauty Radiance Boosting Sheet Mask. I actually received one of their other masks. I think it was a moisture boosting sheet mask, and I loved that one. But I tried this one. I ordered it off Nykaa. I think it was for rupees 285 or 300, which is incredible for a sheet mask, which is of this quality. And I tried it on, leave it for 15 minutes, 15 to 20 minutes. I was like just watching TV and I was chilling and putting it on. And when I took it off, guys, I'm not joking. Like, I literally felt like my face was plump, soft and radiant as they promised in this mask. I highly recommend this to you guys. I don't think it should aggravate any skin problems since it's cruelty free and it's a vegan product as well. Next up, we have a perfume. Last year, if you guys have been following me on Instagram, I was obsessed with the Marc Jacobs perfume, and around 6-7 months back, I got this Gucci Bloom perfume as a gift. And oh my god, guys, this is, I have to use it, guys. I'm just going to show you all everything. This is very personal, but I feel like a flower, guys. I just feel so kheton mein running types. And but it's really nice, guys. They have a smaller version of this as well if you're looking to try. Of course, it is on the expensive side. I got it as a gift, so I'm absolutely loving it. If you are planning on purchasing a little expensive perfume and you'll have that budget, this is really a good buy, and it's very fresh and flowery. And next up, I have a product which I bought on Sephora, the Sephora in South City Mall. This is the Sephora Green Tea Dry Shampoo. So I'm going to actually show you all how I use this since I haven't shampooed my hair today. I shake this up and I just spray it. I look like I have white hair at the moment, but it's okay. I'm just going to, it smells amazing, guys. It smells so good. And so immediately you can notice this part of my hair is looking really plump and like, okay, she just blow dried her hair or something, because it actually feels like this. It's really nice and it smells really good. It is for 900 rupees, but it's got a lot of products, so I think this should last you around 2 months if you don't shampoo your hair every day and you want to just use like a quick spray. This is definitely a very good product. I got this last month and I've been loving it ever since. Okay, so I have two belts with me and they both are from Shein. Guys, I literally saw this, I think it was of less than 1,000 rupees. I think one was 300 or 400 rupees, and the quality is amazing. It's really stretchable, and like you just have to clasp it like this. And you have this amazing belt. Like you can pair it up with maybe just like a white short dress or a black short dress, or maybe like, you know, anything basically. This is so nice. Even if you're wearing like a longer top with maybe just a kurti and jeans and you want to get some kind of like waist accentuation happening, this is really nice. The other belt that I am loving, like I pair it with literally any jumpsuit and any pink dress, any colorful thing, is this white belt. I'm holding it ulta. This white belt, guys, oh my god. I'm going to insert a picture somewhere around this frame of how I styled it with a navy blue turquoise jumpsuit, and I got so many compliments when I was like, which belt is that? It looks so like, it looks like You know what I mean? You know what I mean, right, guys? Please buy this if you're looking for something like very oomph. This is definitely my go-to at the moment. I just pair this with anything. And this. Last but not the least, I have some stationery product situation happening. This is a notebook from Accessorize. I got this from Quest Mall. It's so pretty, guys. Like, I feel like writing my entire life on this because it's so cute and it's so like you just went to Paris or something. Like that feel is there. It's so aesthetic. Like, I want to take pictures of this and flood my Instagram feed or something. But it's really nice. It's got London written everywhere, and it's got like love and square and underground and all the London vibes happening. And I just went to London recently. Surprising I didn't get that in London. I got that in Calcutta, Quest Mall, but okay. And it's got like this really cute pink kind of like an inner thing, and then you start fresh. I love smelling them. I'm really getting creepy on YouTube, but okay. So anyway, this is for rupees 695. It's really nice. I want to like write all my everyday things on this. I want to maybe put like all my goals and everything. So this is really nice. And if you guys have any stationery recommendations, please tell me. I'm obsessed. I would love to know about y'all as well. So yeah, guys, that wraps up my top favorite products of the month. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and I hope you all can recommend me some products as well. I think you've probably got an idea of what kind of taste I have. And yeah, I will see you guys next time. Make sure you guys comment down below what you want to see next, and don't forget to like, subscribe and share.